Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today also we will take some problems on system of linear equations. So problem is examine the consistency if consistent solve the system where given system is 2x minus y minus z equal to 2, x plus 2y plus z equal to 2, 4x minus 7y minus 5z equal to 2. So our first step is we have to write this system in matrix form. So how we write matrix form? From first equation write coefficient of x y z, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1. From second equation write here 1 2 1, and from third equation we will write here 4 minus 7 minus 5 into x y z is equal to 2 2 2 equal to 2 2 2. So this is Ax is equal to B form. So using this we have to write augmented matrix AB and then reduce that matrix to canonical form and then decide the nature of given system. So augmented matrix AB is the joining of A and B, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1 2, then 1 2 1 2, and 4 minus 7 minus 5 2. Now we have to reduce this matrix to echelon form or canonical form using only elementary row operation. So first operation use here R12. So if we use R12 here, then this becomes 1 2 1 2, then 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. R12 means interchange first and second row, then 4 minus 7 minus 5 2. Okay, now make this 2 and 4 0 using operation. So for making this 2 0 we have to use R2 minus 2 R1, and for R3 we have to use R3 minus 4 times R1. So if we use this operation here, then this becomes 1 2 1 2, then 2 minus 2 is 0, minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, then 2 minus 2 into 2 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2, then 4 minus 4 is 0, minus 7 minus 4 into 2 8, minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15, minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9, and last one is this 2 minus 4 into 2 is 8. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Okay, so here minus 5 here minus 15, and we have to make this minus 15 equal to 0. So how to make this minus 15 0? If we multiply here this minus 5 by 3, then we will get 15. So we have to use the next operation here, R3 minus 3 times R2. So if we use R3 minus 3 times R2, then this becomes 1 2 1 2 0 minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 0 0 minus 15, minus minus plus 3 into 5, that is 15 0, minus 9 minus minus plus 3 into 3 9, that is also 0, and here minus 6 minus minus plus 3 into 2 6, this is also 0. Now observe this matrix carefully. The matrix A is this. So what is the rank of matrix A? That is 3. Okay, and rank of AB, that is also 3. So here not 3, rank of matrix A is 2 here, because number of non-zero rows are 1 and 2, and rank of AB is also 2. So rank of A is equal to rank of AB equal to 2. But number of unknowns A x y z, so number of unknowns are 3, which is less than 3, and 3 is number of unknowns. Okay, so if rank of A equal to rank of AB is less than number of unknown, then we can say that given system is consistent. Given system is consistent means it has some solution, consistent, and that solution is and has, yes, infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution means if rank of A is less than number of unknown, then we will get infinite number of solution, and if rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknown, then we will get unique solution. And when we get no solution, if rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So how to find that infinite number of solution? How we find? Again use this. Suppose this is 1. So from 1 is the augmented matrix and in column form of augmented matrix. So from this we can write again system. So from first row we can write first equation, that is x plus 2y plus z equal to x plus 2y plus z equal to 2, and from second row we can write minus 5y minus 3z is equal to minus 2. Now we have to solve this. Here number of equation is less than number of unknown. If number of equation is less than number of unknown, then we have to take third unknown, that is z is equal to k say. So if we assume z is equal to k, try to find y in terms of k here. Okay, so minus 5y is equal to minus 2 plus 3z, that is equal to minus 2 plus 3k, and therefore y is equal to माइनस 5 ने डिवाइड किया तो माइनस 2 अपॉन माइनस 5 इज 2/5 minus 3k/5. So this is the value of y, this is the value of z in terms of k. Put y and z in this equation, try to find x. Okay, and therefore x plus 2y is x plus 2 into 2/5 minus 3k/5 plus z is equal to k equal to 2. Okay, so using this we can write x plus, if we multiply these two inside, 4/5 minus 6k/5 plus k equal to 2. Okay, and therefore x is equal to 2 minus 4/5 plus 6k/5 minus k is equal to, so simplify these two terms, 5 into 2 10, 10 minus 4 is 6/5, and this 6k minus 5k is plus k/5, means this is 1/5 into 6 plus k. So x is equal to 1/5 into 6 plus k, then y is equal to 1/5 into 2 minus 3k, and z is equal to k. Infinite number of solution means for different values of k we get different solutions, that is infinite number of solutions. So next problem is same, you do at home, that is examine the consistency. If consistent, solve the system, where system is 2x minus 3y plus 5z equal to 1, 3x plus y minus z equal to 2, and x plus 4y minus 6z equal to 1. Now next example is, for what values of lambda and mu the system 2x plus 3y plus 5z equal to 9, 7x plus 3y minus 2z equal to 8, 2x plus 3y plus lambda z equal to mu has no solution, unique solution, infinitely many solutions. So such type of problems are important for exam. So how we solve this? Again method is same. First try to write given system of equations in matrix form. So write down coefficients of x, y, z here, that is 2, 3, 5, then from second equation 7, 3, minus 2, and from third equation 2, 3, lambda into x, y, z is equal to 9, 8, mu. So this is Ax is equal to B form A. Now using this we have to write augmented matrix AB. What is augmented matrix AB? That is the joining of A and B. So this is the augmented matrix AB, that is 2, 3, 5, 9, 7, 3, minus 2, 8, 2, 3, lambda mu. Now we have to reduce this augmented matrix AB to canonical form using only row operations. So how to reduce? We want this 7 and 2 0. For that we want here 1, because without 1 we can't make this 0. Okay, so how to get here 1? If we use here operation R2 minus 3 times R1, then we will get here 1, and then we can interchange. Okay, so if we operate here operation R2 minus 3 times R1, then first row as it is, that is 2, 3, 5, 9, and here 7 minus 6 is 1, then 3 minus 9 is minus 6, minus 2 minus 15, 3 into 5 is 15, minus 2 minus 15 is minus 17, and this 8 minus 3 into 9, that is 27. So 8 minus 27 is minus 19. Okay, and third row as it is, that is 2, 3, lambda and mu. Now we want first diagonal element 1, so interchange first and second row, use R12 operation here. So if you use R12 operation, then instead of second row write first, instead of first row write second, then we will get this matrix. Okay, Now after getting this matrix, we have to make this element 0, this element 0. So for making this 0, we have to use operation here, R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 minus 2 times R1, because in both rows first term is 2. So if we use these operations here, then this becomes 1 minus 6 minus 17 minus 19 as it is. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus minus plus 2 into 6, that is 12, that is 15. 3 plus 12 is 15. Then 5 plus 34, 5 plus 17 into 2, that is 34. 34 plus 5 is 39. And this 9 plus 19 into 2, 38. 38 plus 9 is 47. Then 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus minus plus 6 into 2, 12, that is 15. Then here lambda plus 34, lambda plus 34, because 17 into 2 is 34, and mu plus 19 into 2 is 38. Okay, now we have to make this 15 is equal to 0. So how to make this 15 0? For that we have to use operation R3 minus R2. Now if we use R3 minus R2 operation here, then we will get 1 minus 6 minus 17 minus 19. Second row as it is, that is 0, 15, 39, 47. And third row is 0, 15 minus 15 is 0 here. Then 34 minus 39, 34 minus 39 is minus 5, that is lambda minus 5. And 38 minus 47, that is 38 minus 47 is minus 9 here, that is mu minus 9. Now our question is, for what values of lambda and mu the system has? First one is no solution, second one is unique solution, and third one is infinite number of solution. So when system has a no solution, if rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So here if we put, suppose, means for lambda equal to 5 and mu is not equal to 9. Observe this carefully. If we put lambda equal to 5 here, then we will get rank of A 2 आएगी ना, ये एलिमेंट 0 हो जाएगा. So for lambda equal to 5 we get rank of A equal to 2, and mu is not equal to 9. mu is not equal to 9 means except mu equal to 9, बाकी कौन सी भी वैल्यू पुट की यहाँ पर, तो रैंक ऑफ ए बी क्या आएगी, 3 आएगी. ओके, सो फॉर लैम्बडा इक्वल टू 5 mu is not equal to 9, rank of A is not equal to rank of AB. So system has no solution. So for no solution, lambda equal to 5, mu is not equal to 9. Then second one is when system has unique solution. So for unique solution, we want rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to number of unknowns. Here number of unknowns given है x, y, z, that is 3 unknowns. So we want rank of A and rank of AB both are 3 here. So when we get rank of A and rank of AB 3, for which values of lambda and mu we will get rank of A and rank of AB is 3. So for lambda is not equal to 5, except lambda equal to 5, because यहाँ पर यदि lambda equal to 5 पुट किया तो rank of A 2 हो जाती है. So lambda is not equal to 5 लिया तो यहाँ पर नॉन जीरो एलिमेंट मिलेगा हमें. म्यू की कौन सी भी वैल्यू लो, फॉर एनी वैल्यू ऑफ म्यू and for any value of mu, lambda is not equal to 5, and for any value of mu we get rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 3 equal to number of unknowns. And so therefore system has, yes, unique solution. And third, when we get infinite number of solution, for infinite number of solution we want rank of A equal to rank of AB is less than number of unknown. So when we get rank of A and rank of AB is less than number of unknown. Number of unknowns are here 3. So we want rank of A and rank of AB may be 2 or 1. So when we get that, if you put lambda equal to 5, mu equal to 9. यदि lambda equal to 5, mu equal to 9 put किया तो last row total 0 हो जाएगा. Rank of A and rank of AB both मिलेगी हमें 2. So for lambda equal to 5 and mu equal to 9, rank of A equal to rank of AB equal to 2 is less than 3 and 3 is number of unknowns, and therefore system has infinitely many solutions. So next problem is same, you do at home. For what values of lambda and mu the system x plus y plus z is equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10, x plus 2y plus lambda z equal to mu has first no solution, second unique solution, and third an infinite number of solution. Okay, so problem is same. Okay, you try this. Thank you.